Namaste. Hope all of you are happy and healthy at home. This is what we always pray for everyone. In this hour of COVID-19, we are to save ourselves, staying at home, staying safe, maintaining social distancing, and all the precautions what government has been asking us to do at a regular interval. Every year we form a student council. This student council is responsible towards the student, and it is a bridge between the students and the management. They do these type of duties where they share with the authorities what the students are looking forward for, because school, through its teachers, principal and other staff member, tries that students get each and everything to the best level, but certain times this is missed also. So in that way, student council plays a very important role. They are a bridge. They share. Principal keeps on meeting them at a regular interval and share with them what is required by the students. So the students who are responsible are being elected in this student council. And this is a way we teach our students to be the leaders of tomorrow. The process is like that is being followed in Indian democracy, where the students are being invited by the election committee of the school to file their nomination. They file their nomination, then the election officer of the school sees their nomination forms, and if any candidate who is not deserving, its candidature is also being cancelled. So this activity took place on 6th of June. The election process was declared by the election officer a day before, and on 6th of June, the first process of filing the the nomination form was done. On 7th, the final list of the candidates was declared, and after that, all the students were informed so that they can prepare their campaign now. They did a lot of efforts. They did prepare the speeches and the other ways so that they can invite the voters. They cast their vote toward them. So this process was done for 2 days. I appreciate all my students. Students, you did a good effort to attract your voters. Your way of impressing your voter was par excellent. You did a good effort so that you can communicate with them and they could cast a vote towards you. So I appreciate all the candidates for this. Then this campaign took place for 2 days, and after that, yesterday, that is 11th of June, the day which each candidate was waiting for, came. The voting started at 8:30 in the morning, and the last voter who was invited to cast the vote was till 2 p.m. I congratulate the election officer who could make 81% students to cast their vote. It was a very good experience. I shared with good number of students, and they said it was a very good experience for them to cast their first vote, and that too through the digital manner, because this is its of own kind. It has never done in any of the schools all over India. This digital casting of vote has been done in our school. So for this, I congratulate all the people who did their contribution to make it happen, and it happened in a very positive and rightful approach. So now it is my time to declare the result of the voting. The first I'll declare is for the literary captain. The candidates were Siddharth Saini and Gurpreet Kaur. I congratulate Gurpreet, who is being elected as the literary captain. Then for the social awareness captain, so it was Subodh Kailash, Buddharam and Stuti Shukla. I congratulate Stuti Shukla, who has been elected as a social awareness captain. Then cultural secretary, the candidates were Dev Kanojia, Ravinder Singh, Sia Saini and Jasmine. I congratulate Ravinder Saini, who is being elected as the cultural secretary. Disciplinary captain, the candidates were Kashish Dhiman, Harshit Thakur, Dikshant Thakur Thukral, Ananya Rawat and Yashmeet Singh. I congratulate Dikshant Thukral for getting elected as disciplinary captain. For the sports captain, Ayush Khosla, Karan Chauhan and Harsh were the candidates. I congratulate Ayush Khosla, who is being elected as a sports captain. For the head girl, the candidates were Khushi Diwan, Vanshika Sharma, Smriti, Sakshi Rathi, Mahek and Gurleen Kaur. I congratulate Khushi Diwan, who has been elected as a head girl. For the head boy, there were candidates Dev Kamal, Arpit Pandey, Aniket Sharma. And I congratulate Dev Kamal to be elected as the head boy of the school. So all those who have been elected, I congratulate all of for all those who could not achieve this time. Let this experience be with you. Tomorrow, if you are there in any college, university or any other organization, this experience will lead and it will help you to use whatever you missed out this time. This time it was a digital, you could not meet all the voters, you could not really catch them with your live personality. So that was the missing part, not an issue. This is always something which you will remember for your lifetime. So in the end, I congratulate all the people, especially the election officer, Mr. Inderjit Singh, and especially I'll appreciate the efforts of Jaskirat Singh, who gave all the technical support for making this event a success. This was an experiment being done for the first time in our school. It has never been heard anywhere, maybe India or anywhere else. So our school again has led with the new thing, new concept. So congratulations to all my students, my team, my teachers, my team and my parents for this event.